Hello friends and students, greetings. I am very happy to shoot this video for SSC students. In this video, I have planned to solve a few problems from exercise 1.5 of real numbers. Sixth question, log 512 base 2 7, log 0.01 base 10 8, log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3, 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Students, we solve सिक्स्थ प्रॉब्लम इन एक्सरसाइज 1.5। बच्चों, एक्सरसाइज 1.5 में सिक्स्थ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे हम। सिक्स्थ प्रॉब्लम, लॉग 512 base 2. What we have to do? We have to make the number and base equal. If we want to make the number and base equal, can we write 512 as 2 power 9? By doing the prime factorization method, we get 2 power 9. Yes, 512 to 256, 512 to 128, 256, 264, 128, 232, 64, 216, 32, 28, 16, 24, 8, 22, 4, 21, 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have got 9 twos, so we can write 2 power 9. Okay, log, instead of 512 we have to write 2 power 9. बच्चों, हम 512 के बदले में 2 power 9 लिख सकते हैं। और क्या है, बेस 2 एज इट इज। अब क्या करना चाहिए हमको, पावर 9 को log से पहले भेज देना चाहिए। वी हैव टू सेंड राइट 9 इंटू log 2 base 2. As per the formula, log a base a is equal to 1. Nine into 1. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. बच्चों, log 2, log 512 base 2 is equal to 9. Okay, have you got this answer? Next we solve seventh problem. Log 0.01 बेस 10। यहाँ पे भी देखिए, ये डेसिमल है, आशारी कसूर है, इसको हम प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में लिखना चाहिए। 0.01 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम, वी कैन राइट 0.01 एज 1 by 100. These all are basic things. You should know how to convert this 0.01 as 1 by 100. You have to learn these all basic things. Okay, बच्चों, हम 0.01 को 1 by 100 की शक्ल में लिख सकते हैं। ओके, log 1 by 100 base 10. क्या अब ये बराबर हैं? Are these equal? No. These are not equal. We have to make the number as 10. We have to write the number as 10. So what we have to do now? Observe here. Can we write 1 by 100 as 1 by 10 square? Yes, definitely we can write 1 by 100 as 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square कौन से फार्मूले के मुताबिक है? In which form is 1 by 10 square? This is in the form of 1 by a power n. 1 by 10 स्क्वायर को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? a पावर माइनस n की शक्ल में लिख सकते हैं. We can write 1 by 10 square as 10 power minus 2. Okay, have you got this? क्या है? 1 by 100 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1 by 100 को 10 पावर माइनस 2 की शक्ल में लिख सकते हैं. ओके, log 10 पावर minus 2 base 10. Okay, now we have to send minus 2 before log and we write minus 2 into log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 is equal to 1. Now we have to multiply minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Now the answer is minus 2. Log 0.01 base 10 is equal to minus 2. Okay, have you got this? Students, 8th problem. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. We have to make the number and the base same. So students, observe here. Can we write 8 by 27 as 2 cube by 3 cube? Yes, we can write 8 by 27 as 2 cube by 3 cube. After multiplying 3 times, we get 8. Okay? We have to write log 2 cube by 3 cube base 2 by 3. Okay? Observe here. Can we write 2 cube by 3 cube as 2 by 3 whole cube? Yes, we can write as per the formula a power m b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. A power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. We can write 2 cube by 3 cube as 2 by 3 whole cube. Okay, look here. Log 2 by 3 whole cube base 2 by 3. Now we have to send the power before log and we write 3 into log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3. Now the number and the base is equal. So as per the formula, log a base a is equal to 1. We have to write 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So the answer is 3. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 is equal to 3. This is the answer. Okay students, let's move towards ninth problem. Two power 2 plus log 3 base 2. This is the question. Observe this question. This is in the form of a power m plus n. Can we write a power m plus n as a power m into a power n? Yes, we can write a power m plus n as a power m plus m into a power n. Here a is equal to 2, m is equal to 2, n is equal to log 3 base 2. Okay, we have to write as 2 square into 2 power log 3 base 2. Okay, can we write 2 square as 4? Yes, we write 4 into, observe this, this is 2 power log 3 base 2 is equal to in the form of a power log n base a is equal to n. 3 is in the n's place, so we have the answer 3. 2 square 4, and as per the formula a power log n base a is equal to n, we can write 3. Okay, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So the answer 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2 is equal to 12. Okay students, I would like to give you 2 questions, 2 problems to do as homework, and you write the answers in the comment section. Okay, first one, log 0.001 base 10. Second one, log 32 base 2. You write the answer in comment section. Students, this is the end of the video. You are requested to watch the video more and more again and again. If you like this video, please subscribe, share to your friends, acquaintances and relatives. Moreover, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notified as early as possible. And also, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram also, and my user ID is AR for India. This is my user ID for Instagram and Twitter. बच्चों, हम मिलेंगे फिर दूसरी वीडियो में. जब तक अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय.